are entering into a 3 BHK flat in Aparna Sarovar Zicon. This is 1800 square feet flat. It is in the 14th floor. It is west facing and new interiors. No one have occupied. Still interior work is going on. Completed, almost completed. And this is the crockery unit. So this is the balcony. A big balcony and view from to HCU, Hyderabad Central University. This is the forest of HCU. And no obstruction here. Full sunlight will be coming. And this is the kitchen. As I said, it is west facing, so morning sunrise comes this side. Okay, they have kept the chimney also. Full lofts are there. And from the utility also you can see the HCU, and this is a big utility. And you can see the cupboards, and here two washing dishwasher and washing machine can be kept. This is the space for Puja Mandir, and this is the master bedroom. They are given 2 windows, and these are the cupboards and ACs. They are given 4 ACs in the house, and this is again HCU forest. This is master bedroom, bathroom attached. This is the wash basin, and here there are 2 rooms. One is for the guest bedroom and the other one is for the children's bedroom. So here also they have given AC, and it is bigger windows. And this is other bedroom. Okay, here also they have given 2 windows, and you can see bathroom there and the cupboards, wall to wall and ground roof. Here again you can see HCU from this room. Beautiful house at 14th floor, west facing, 1800 square feet, ready to occupy.